Croquette is a dish of French origin, which is basically mashed potatoes, bread, or thick bechamel sauce combined with various fillings, breaded and then deep fried. Over time, croquette has developed and evolved with different versions from various European, South American, and Asian countries. They are also prepared in various ways, including deep frying, pan frying, or baking. Today, we are making a simple, easy to prepare, yet super delicious version of vegetable croquette. Come join me on Becker's Easy Eats. I am truly excited for this dish. Let's look at the ingredients. Now, my sous chef is going to prepare the potatoes, the base ingredient of our croquettes. After peeling and cutting the potatoes, boil until fully cooked. While still hot, add butter, salt, and pepper. Mash the potatoes until very smooth with a potato masher. Meanwhile, cook and cut the carrot into tidbits. Combine all the vegetables into the mashed potato, green peas, carrot, and corn. Mix until very well combined.
We would appreciate it if you like this video. Leave a bit of nice comment below. Share this with your best friend. And of course, subscribe to our plushie channel. And so you won't miss any updates. Hit the ding ding bell too.
Form the potato and vegetable mix into patties or ball shapes. You can decide on the size. For this recipe, we formed them into oval-shaped patties and were able to make a total of 9. Chill them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, prepare the breading station. Consists of all-purpose flour, beaten egg, and panko breadcrumbs. Coat the chilled patties with flour. Dip into egg, then coat with panko breadcrumbs. Make sure all the sides are evenly coated with the breading mix. I mentioned earlier that croquettes can be deep fried, pan fried, or baked. You can even use an air fryer to cook them, but today we shall be using shallow pan frying method. Fry each side of the croquette for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until golden brown. Place the cooked croquettes on a wire rack to remove excess oil. Here I am serving them with simple shredded cabbage and sliced fresh tomatoes. So there you have it, my dear friends. Vegetable croquette you can enjoy as appetizer or as snack. Thank you very much for watching. Join me next week for another episode of Becker's Easy Eats.
Show us your love. Support our plushie channel with Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you.